Hi, welcome to Aequilibrae, and today I'm going to show something that has been a long way coming, which is a way to display OMX matrices in QGIS. Last time I made a tutorial video. It was about how to install Python packages inside the Windows distribution of QGIS. Which is not that trivial. I'm going to leave the link to that video in that blog post in the description. And now I have incorporated, knowing that after installing OMX into your Python distribution, you can just go into Aequilibrae, Data, Display Formats, and choose OMX. I have here a matrix for the Vancouver model, OMX matrix. Works exactly as the displaying of Aequilibrae formats, with the difference that this is not exactly the Vancouver model. You see there are 83,000 zones here. This is a node-to-node matrix, but I have that, I don't even know how many cores of the matrix here. I have hundreds of cores, and displaying it is just as quick as anything. So it is works pretty well. It's pretty easy to use, and that's it. I hope you enjoy, and if you have any trouble installing the packages, please join Aequilibrae at googlegroups.com, and I'll try to help you. Thank you and have a good day.